Big Five score checkup, which is available on the website wit.fit, it says to walk 7,000 steps a day, and what's the relevance and importance of that. So it's often you'll often see 10,000 steps a day bounded about as your daily, how many steps should I hit every day? And 10,000 is good, there's nothing wrong with it. I actually prefer I prefer time outside as a measure. So 45 minutes per day walking outside as a bare minimum. And the study that came up with the 10,000 steps a day was actually from a Japanese company that designed the pedometer. And so they were pedaling this idea of 10,000 steps a day, and that's where the science came from. So still go out walking, still get your steps in, and because obviously there's lots of benefits: cardio health, better weight management, mental health, bone health, joint health, and so there's lots of reasons why we should definitely get our steps in a day. I just thought that was an interesting fact about the 10,000 steps. Okay, so make sure you get your steps in, make sure you get outside. The other benefit of walking outside at this time, well, not at this time of year, but usually, is you'll get a bit of vitamin D. But obviously at the moment you won't be getting vitamin D, so do make sure you've got a supplement. We use a company called Vivo Life, and they have droppers for vitamin D. And their droppers, the reason we use that is they're really high quality, and they combine it with another vitamin which helps the absorption. All right, hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.